Jai Jagannath. Bahumukhee Versatile presents to you Odisha. We'll be sharing our travel experience to Bhubaneswar Puri Jagannath temple, which is also considered as one of the Char Dhams in India. Part 1 covers our plane journey from Mumbai to Bhubaneswar, the most exciting fun, especially for the kids. Long wait. After 2 years, we are traveling for the first time after COVID. Part 2 covers sunbath fun and Lord Jagannath's Darshan. This is the beach view in the morning. Part 3 and the most fun part is holy celebrations on Puri's Swargadwar beach along with our beloved Gopalji and our real twin Gopaljis in real. Part 4 covers fun rides on the beach and beautiful Odisha sand art. Part 5, the most exciting part, Swargadwar beach street market, Dhai Kiri Kiri. Part 6 covers our return journey to Mumbai with Lord Jagannath's blessings. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the part 1. Our fun has just begun. We all are heading from our home destination to Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. We have taken a short break in between to grab breakfast. This is our road trip to Mumbai Airport. And you just cannot imagine how excited the kids are. This is our family trip to Bhubaneswar, that too after 2 long years of wait. Finally, we have reached the airport. Mumbai International Airport is really beautiful and you have plenty of things to do inside the airport once you've checked in. Plenty of shoppings that you can do, plenty of facilities that you can avail of. So make sure you have some time in your hand when you're especially taking a flight from Mumbai International Airport. And finally, we have reached our first destination. We have taken baggage carriers and the kids just cannot control themselves. They always prefer sitting on that. That's a fun ride for them. Here you go, the second one. We'll be getting our clearance checks done. Finally, we have made it through the gates and the journey has begun. The kids were super excited. I mean, they are our inspirations, for every travel. Finally, yoo-hoo! We've reached here. Since our flight is in the afternoon, we also had to make sure that the kids are not hungry. Of course, special thanks to Ma, who always makes sure that she carries enough food where no one is going to be hungry. She has prepared dal rice for the kids, roti sabzi for all of us. I mean, without her, we just cannot imagine a trip anywhere in this world. Just trying to show you how this feeding is done and it's fun. One of them is almost lying down. Our pillars of strength. Without them, I don't think we would be able to achieve any of success in any of the trips that we have made. Finally, we're waiting for the electric cars that's specially made only for senior citizens and kids and pregnant women and disabled. But we were lucky enough to grab a seat inside it. That's a glimpse of the airport. You cannot imagine how many stuffs we get there on the airport. And just finally to board. The kids, they were super excited. This electric car, which is known as buggy in the airport. Finally, we have boarded that and now we are heading. I will just try to show you what all I could have captured in that much of duration. Plenty of stuff. This is like a super fun airport. You have the customs shop. You get branded stuffs at reasonable prices. Plenty of food stalls available there. ATMs, you have currency exchange counters. Since it's an international airport, it's a very big airport, and you have gate numbers like up to 75, I think even more than that, not sure. Right now we are taking the road to domestic departures. That's from where we'll be taking our plane to Bhubaneswar. And our gate was something around about 50, 51, I don't remember, but very far. And I don't think we all could have covered it by walk, and this is the best way to, I think, make it to the airport, especially if you're running short of time, which we are since we are traveling with kids. Steve Madden, I mean, this is one of the brands that I'm fond of, especially for shoes. But yeah, I was not allowed to buy one. You have washroom facilities also. Coffee houses. Plenty. The airport is beautiful from inside. The kids loved it. Although they were on the electric buggy, but they were super excited about the people walking around them as well. Here you can see all of us have boarded the buggy. Here my sister is waving her hand. And this is the bhaiya who was driving the buggy for all of us. And I am trying to cover as much as I can. Wanted to show all of you how it looks like. These are those walking escalators. The airport view from inside. And yay! We're about to reach our gate. Here we have finally stepped down of the buggy. Wearing a mask is still compulsory, by the way, for all of you who are deciding to travel. The kids have found a nice place to sit and also a TV in front of them. They're super excited about Modi ji. So the moment they see him on TV, they always chant, Jai Shri Ram. Finally, we are inside our aircraft. Proceeding towards our seats. We have taken our seats, fastened our seat belts, and this is the view from the window seat. Web check-ins were already done, so we had pre-booked our seats and our meals for the journey. Which is a good thing to do, I guess, because that saves a lot of time and a lot of hassle and additional costs that they charge to do the web check-ins from the airport in case if you miss doing it before that. Here is the little one who is super excited, who was all glared towards the window, trying to see every plane that he could. The plane is ready for takeoff. initial glimpse of the Mumbai city from the plane. Mumbai has always been very close to our hearts. And here is the view of the clouds. A short meal in between for the kids, of course. And now we are almost proceeding to land. The best part is as and when we are closing to the landing zone in Bhubaneswar, the buildings kind of, increase in size, which is a very fun part for the kids, of course. They were super excited about this whole plane thing. I mean, even I'm a grown up, but I'm super excited about every journey that I make, and especially an air travel that I have. I don't know, there is some kind of excitement about air travels. This is Bhubaneswar city, and our trip does not end here. From Bhubaneswar, it is a 1.5 hours journey to Swargadwar, Puri, where we have kind of booked Seagull hotel for our stay. So that's another travel. So again, we'll be having a short meal, and that's how we proceed. We're about to land, and finally we've managed to land safely. Finally reached Bhubaneswar. Here the little one is ready with his mum. We've also taken the bus, which is going to be taking us from the plane to the main airport. We have reached here. There behind you can see this beautiful sand art. This is the outside area of the airport. Bhubaneswar airport is also extremely beautiful. From there we had taken an Innova, which will be taking us to Puri Seagull Hotel. It's a 4-day trip, and by the time we reached, it is sunset time. So we were welcomed by beautiful clouds and a beautiful sunset. And the moment you're closer to Puri, it's kind of covered by the Bay of Bengal Sea, which is part of the Indian Ocean. That part is beautiful. This is what I was talking about. The roads are covered by sea, just like you see in Puducherry. It's the same kind of a view when you're about to closing to Swargadwar, Puri beach. And the beach is divided into golden and silver beach. So the golden one is very crowded, silver is considered to be less crowded. Of course, this time my experience was very different. All the beaches were equally crowded. So it depends on your personal choice which beach you prefer to put up. The feeling is very special. The moment you land on this beautiful place. This is our hotel Seagull that I was talking about. It is right near Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's statue on Puri Swargadwar beach. This is the entrance. It's beautiful. They have live fishes swimming there. The kids are really tired and they have almost just lied down on the bed. We've also placed our Gopalji, who travels with us everywhere we go. So he's also settled down. See you soon in the next 5 parts that we have. So do keep watching.